Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係練習書 Joseph Lin. And a happy new year! 快到了耶！ So, we should teach you things to say and do during New Year's, all right? 来教教大家了，迎接一个新的年我们会做的一些事情咯。
OK。
其实我们中文里面会讲说跨年，对不对？要不然一起去跨年，
就去倒数计时咯。
英文比较不会这样子，就直接说倒数计时。Let's go to the countdown.
3、2、1这样。
Right. Just 3、2、1. Hey, Happy New Year, right? But in Mandarin, usually we say, let's welcome a new year together, okay? Which means let's go count down and spend some time in the new year. 所以跨年怎么说？
跨年。
跨年 okay, that means crossing over to a year.
跨过一个年。
Hey, 跨年 okay? Again, that's welcoming a new year. 2012 in this case. Of course, 3、2、1, boom! 会发生什么事情？烟火啦，对不对？ Every country, every town has its own fireworks when we welcome in a new year. So 烟火怎么说？
天发炮
啊，好像电灯泡，不是天花炮啊。对 ，that means fireworks， 天发炮。
那海陆枪天发炮。
天发炮 ，OK, similar but a different dialect for fireworks. And finally, 到了这个3、2、1，看了烟火完了之后，旁边周围的人都会一起来喊新年快乐。That's right, we all say Happy New Year to everyone around us. So 怎么讲？刚刚是国语嘛，哈，现在客家话怎么说？
新年快乐。
很像啊，叫你讲客语啊。
新年快乐。
差不多呢。
很像。
Okay, a little different, but it means Happy New Year. Let's make a sentence out of this. 烟火好了，我们回到这个喜欢在这个跨年的时候邀很多朋友去看烟火，所以我们教怎么说？我和朋友要去看烟火。Me and my friends, we're gonna go watch the fireworks.
我老朋友愛去看天發炮。
我老朋友 that means me and my friends. 愛去看就是 we're gonna go see 天發炮。Boom, boom, boom, 烟火 Okay, that's fireworks. Very good. Let's review all these terms. Welcoming a new year, 跨年。
跨年。
跨年 And then fireworks, 烟火。
天发炮。
天发炮 And 新年快樂 That's Happy New Year.
新年快樂
There you have it. Happy New Year to all. And we'll see you in 2012. Bye-bye. That is today's Practical Hakka.
師母太監。
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.